7 keys to stop your husband from snoring. It starts quietly, a soft sound at first, then it grows louder. Night after night, the same rumble, steady, unending. You stare at the ceiling, wide awake. You love the man beside you, but the sound is driving you crazy. Snoring isn't just sound, it's stress. It's the sound that steals sleep, drains patience, and quietly erodes intimacy. Thousands of women endure sleepless nights, emotional distance, and fatigue every single day because of a snoring partner. But it's not just the wife who suffers. Children feel it too. A tired, frustrated mom, a disconnected dad, a tense home where mornings begin with fatigue and silence. But what if you could bring peace back to your home? What if quiet nights and joyful mornings could return? From author Sampson Udeh comes a compassionate, practical guide, 7 keys to stop your husband from snoring.